Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming you have owner access and two-factor set up. This prevents pauses later. Once logged in, export your orders, customers, and theme. Make sure those backups are stored outside Shopify for recovery. Next, review the billing cycle, outstanding invoices, and app billing to avoid unexpected charges. This matters because Shopify bills prorated or upcoming charges. Now, go to Settings and get ready to open the Plan section. This is where you'll take the first actionable step to stop billing. You should now navigate to Settings, then plan to cancel or choose Pause. Canceling stops future recurring payments, while pausing retains stored data for a fee. Carefully uninstall any paid apps because many bill independently. Once removed, confirm app charges are stopped. Then go to Billing and delete saved payment methods, and review the next invoice date so you don't get charged. Also, transfer domains you own or turn off auto-renew. Because domain billing is separate, make sure DNS records are copied for later use. You finish by confirming cancellation in the admin and watching for a confirmation email. This is your proof that billing should stop. Once done, download final invoices, and, if you believe there are erroneous charges, request refunds promptly. Include invoice numbers and dates. Double-check that the store status shows closed. Make sure any forwarded domains and subscriptions are handled. If something goes wrong, contact Shopify support directly with order or invoice ID and screenshots. This speeds resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.